Dear students, this is the Python program to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. So in this program code, we have hard-coded the value of the year as 2000, and we will check whether it is a leap year or not. So if we want to get input from the user, we can change the program code by this line of code. We will not comment this line. So you see that year is equal to integer input enter a year. So this will prompt the user to enter a specified year, say 2000 to 2020, 2019, 2018, 1990, 1996, whatsoever. But if we comment this line, this will not run, as we know that comments don't run in the code. A commented out line or a block does not execute in the Python, and in Python we comment out a block of code or we comment with the help of a hash sign. So we have hard-coded the value of the year as 2000, and we are now checking this with the help of these conditions, whether if the year divided by 4 is equal to 0, divided by 100 is equal to 0, divided by 400 is equal to 0, then print the year is a leap year, else the year is not a leap year. So we see that you see that in this line, if year is divided by 4 is equal to 0, then the year is equal to leap year. So this line is connected to it, and the second line we see that this line of code, you say that this else is connected to this one. That means if the year is divided by 4 and nothing is remainder, then the year is a leap year, else this program will print the year is not a leap year. We have used this format year. So what is meant by this format? So this format will change this year into a specified format from a module. So we execute this code. So it says that 2000 is a leap year. So we change the year to 2019 and check. So you see that 2019 is not a leap year. So this is our condition block. There are 3 conditions. With the help of these conditions, we will check whether a year is a leap year or not a leap year. So this was a Python program to check if the year is leap or not. We hard-coded a value we gave as input. We can also check it with the help of prompt. If we not comment out this line of code, so you see here that we have removed this comment and changed it into a block, a line of code. So we will enter a year 2020 and press enter. So it shows that 2020 is a leap year. We will execute it again and test. Enter year 2019. So 2019 is not a leap year. So we check this with the help of 2 different methods. One method was with the help of a hard-coded value, while other method is with the help of a prompt